Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Shit. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you'll probably do it again.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having a mukbang from LAGRANJA, LAGRANJA, La Bamba.
La Bamba, same thing.
I think it's LAGRANJA. It's a Peruvian restaurant, and let me move this over a little bit. It's a Peruvian restaurant, and we go there once in a while, and their food is delicious. So we have rotisserie chicken, a whole rotisserie chicken, and we have yellow rice and black beans. My husband, he has 2 breasts, and I have 2 leg and thighs. And so we don't have anything to show you guys because this is, what's today?
Fast Food Friday.
Fast Food Friday.
But you do have something to show them.
Yes, I have something to show you guys later after we've been eating for a while. So we're gonna dig in, and
I almost forgot it's Fast Food Friday though.
Never forget.
Oh.
And at LAGRANJA, they do have some onions, even though they stingy with the onions because of the corona. They don't let us get the onions ourselves. But usually we get a lot of onions. So
I got double rice, yellow and white. No. Gotta mix it up.
Gotta mix it up.
This sauce right here. So it be hitting.
Yeah, this is like a hot sauce,
Yeah.
right? And this is their hot sauce.
Yeah, hot sauce right here, but you know we still got our own.
I love this sauce. It's spicy, but it's really good. Has some good flavor.
Yep.
Let's dig another chicken right here, so. Ooh, see the steam?
Some right here.
Here we go again with the nonsense, trying to.
There we go. There you go. Looks good when you biting it though. Nah, lie. You know me. I can't do that knife and fork stuff. I gotta get it bite. What? You gonna come quick already? So fast?
Oh my goodness. Guys, let me show you my outfit of the day.
Oh shit.
They was asking about it.
Yeah, they want to show them.
Okay, let me show it to you.
I like chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back! Cause you know what? I'm so busy eating. You snuck up on me.
I hope you enjoyed my outfit of the day.
I love it.
You love it? Yep, I know you love it.
I got your hair out today.
Yeah, I took it out. I got tired of the covering it up. I had it in plaits. So I was like, you know what? Let me take it out today. Fancy it up. Honey, you like my natural hair?
Yeah. I love it, Tom. I love the mukbang. Nice one? What about here?
The food is good. We haven't had LAGRANJA in a while.
In a long time. You remember? We used to get it every freaking day.
We used to get it all the time.
Like, what the hell?
Look, to the point where the kids, they're like, oh no, we good. We tired of that place now.
It's with Spanish food.
Yeah, and it's Peruvian food.
So, if they have this where they live, you should try. Not every place have this.
Yeah, not every place have it. But they should definitely try it. And they have so much stuff
In there. For real.
in there.
Yeah.
Them have fish, burgers, fried rice. I tried their fish one time. Their fish is really good. I'm not too keen on the steak because the steak can be kind of tough. But other than that, everything there is pretty good, to be honest.
You still have that sauce over there?
To dip it. Want some?
You know when you not to know?
The chicken is very hot.
Come on.
But no matter where we get our chicken from, what do?
We always gotta put it back in the oven.
We always put it back in the oven.
Like it crispy.
We like the skin, just like my husband said. Nice and crispy.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
You enjoying your food?
I ain't been there talking.
You're not chatty either.
And that's how I want to go vegan. Jeez. I can't do that.
You was acting up yesterday. Vegan.
I cannot go vegan.
I don't know. It'll be impossible.
I've been missing out a lot.
Yep.
Well, if I go vegan, you have to go vegan too. Can't put no meat up in here.
I will. I would. That's something that
You
we
want to try
have
for one day?
I can try for it. We'll try for a week. Honey, for a week. It's a vegetable. You can make cabbage. There's a lot of recipes.
Yeah, that's right on.
You can do it. It's recording, honey?
Yeah.
Okay. I have my contacts.
It
And
was
don't
so
judge me.
nice, man. Come on. For a week.
Yeah.
After we do a mukbang and then we try it. The vegan. So I eat my beef and then we go vegan
Today?
off camera.
No. No.
I can make a lot of vegetable stuff, you know?
Yeah. Or you can make it taste like meat. Oh, guys. I have a subscriber who made the Barbie fried chicken. And she sent me a video and it looks so delicious. She said it was really good. So don't forget, if you make something that we've made on this channel, just DM me and I will post it in the video. So check out her video. So that was just a quick clip of how her Barbie fried chicken came out. And the subscriber name is Stacy. So big up yourself, Stacy.
Big up, Stacy.
Thank you for showing that to us. That melted our heart when we saw that you made what we cooked. Don't be shy, guys. Send it in. Send it in.
Send it in. And get that big shout out. For her birthday.
That's right. Just that chicken skin. Look at that. Dickety. No. You almost got me to it. Yo. No. No. You almost have
Almost
me.
a Jenna?
I would have been mad.
Almost got a family.
Like my mother with her shrimp. Every tell you that story? I think I did. You don't remember? My mother had made some curry shrimp. Oh, that'd be a good video too. The curry shrimp. Long time ago. She told my sister she had, and back then shrimp. If you buy shrimp, back then, you know you was fancy. You know. So she told my sister she go put a little bit more rice in the pot, in the plate, and some more gravy. And she only had one shrimp left. My sister thought she said go throw it away. I never seen my mother so mad over food in my life.
Yeah.
The amount of bad word that came out of her mouth, I was like, wow. And she talks about it to this day, and that was about 20 years ago. And to this day, she still talks about it.
She wanted a shrimp.
She wanted her shrimp.
Yep. She wanted that shrimp. shrimp. Yeah. So family, what y'all Friday looking like? Yeah, really? You heard what they said? Oh God.
That's not bad. We should try that one day.
Yeah. We gonna try it. We gonna try it. So you're ready to go enjoy that weekend, huh?
It's a 3-day weekend too. But it's not the same now. Because of Corona.
Yeah. Can't do nothing.
Where are you gonna go for your 3-day weekend? You can't have a barbecue.
Nothing.
I mean, you can, but
Wait, cut me.
most people don't want to.
Yeah.
You know, they're so scared.
And season too.
Get my chicken. I know you don't want my chicken. You don't yam thighs like that. That's the only good thing. You see, if this was a breast, I would have to worry myself.
Breast is gone a long time.
But it's gone.
Wow. That drink is popping. It's just still push your rice over my side. It's all alright. All good. Right here, family. You put all the rice on my side.
I put some rice.
Oh my gosh.
Take my chicken skin. Don't touch my skin.
They say it looks good.
And it looks scrumptious. Scrumptious.
Oh, yeah, excuse me.
Yes.
Shake it off. Open some more space now.
Like you need any more space. But they do have a tennis game on that I'm gonna watch. You guys know I love tennis. But there's no people.
Because you on the ball and your opponent.
Yep. Do you think that's what they're gonna do for basketball?
No foul. There's the players in the whole arena.
Wow.
Now you're sneaking there, no?
Huh?
You're watching them.
You're
You're
sneaking. This thing's gonna be in the history books.
Wow.
Coronavirus. How the world locked down. They season this chicken really well.
That's what I'm saying. It's seasoned good.
It's seasoned good. It's seasoned like how we would make it.
I was saying that it's gonna season, yo.
You can tell they didn't just use salt and pepper. They used
Everything.
everything in there.
Oh, big.
Yes.
What is salt? The season we use?
Seasoned salt.
Seasoned salt.
They probably even use Everglades.
They probably use
The same season we use, I bet you. So there's something to your season.
Shit, you say about the iguana when the man said, boy, you're a jerky. Remember? You must like you got on that one.
You know what's comments? People said, "Oh, I like when she said I'm gonna jerk it." And you know, I didn't even think about it until after I said, "Oh, what the hell are you talking about?" Duh. The freaky people, them. So of course, they're gonna spot that. It's YouTube.
It's good spice.
Look at my side, my love.
You did good today.
Later on, I'm gonna bake some cookies. I saw a recipe that I want to try. I love chocolate chip cookies. Love chocolate chip cookies. But listen, you listening? Come closer. Come closer. Come closer.
I'm close to here, right?
I love chocolate chip cookies. Yeah. But I don't like the chocolate chip.
She loves the chocolate chip, but she don't like the chocolate.
So I eat around the chocolate chip. And then somebody says, why don't you just eat a blondie cookie? I love blondie cookies. That's a cookie without chocolate chip. It's just a cookie dough. I love that too. There's something about the chocolate chip in the chocolate chip cookie it gives it a nice taste, but I just can't have too much chocolate chip. So what I do is when I'm making it, if the recipe says put a whole cup of chocolate chip, I put like a third.
Oh.
I put a little bit so I can taste some chocolate, but not a lot. Don't judge me. I know you're over there judging me.
She like chocolate chip, but she don't like chocolate chip in here. I don't care. You too. I'll work on it.
I love chocolate chip.
Boy, nice, no?
It tastes nice and seasoned.
What's your two job? Nah. They went to work on this seasoning.
They did. But you do want to put it back in the oven. I would recommend that because then it gets the skin nice and crispy. Look at that. And then it's so crispy.
Oh, it does. What? Look at her family. She tearing up her side today.
Yep.
What got into you today?
Even though I gave you some of my rice, a little bit.
You didn't. She tearing up her side. Look at her. Wow. That's the first. After you clear up her side like that. Huh. She did good today.
I tell you guys, it's like 4 o'clock in the evening. Nothing, baby. Let me give you the amount you be giving me.
Give me the.
Yeah. That's the amount you be giving me. Stingy the freaking napkin. Shoot.
You're not getting none. Use your shirt.
I put the napkin on my side today. I'm in charge.
Use your shirt. Damn, girl, you did good today. Gotta be the outfit of the day.
It gotta be the outfit. You think so?
Turn up things.
Oh, but you know what, honey? Because remember, I worked out this morning.
Oh yeah, she did.
So all that energy that I burned, I didn't eat anything. So my body's like, I need fuel, you know?
Yes.
All right, guys. I hope you had a great day and I hope you have a great weekend.
Yep.
We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Like, comment, share, and if you're new, subscribe. Can you reach this far again? I'm not gonna tell you again.
That's true. Because sometimes they don't listen.
I see y'all looking.
Wait. I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You guys have a great day and a great weekend, and we'll see you for another mukbang.
Mukbang.
Bye.
She remember when she told you she was about to Benjamin.